Hello again. Today I want to show you how to use Studio to record your sentences. So you're going to click Studio and then you're going to wait a little bit. After that, you're going to click Record and make sure you click Webcam. Now remember, you don't have to keep the camera on, so just turn it off. If your camera is on, make sure you click No Video and you will be able to see just your recording. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Wait for the 3, 2, 1, and read your sentences. For example, my name is Ellie, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite food. When you're finished, click Finish. If you want, you can listen to your recording. As you can see, you have to wait for the 3, 2, 1 to record. Make sure you use emphasis to some important words. We use intonation like we have discussed in class. Add a title. In this case, let's say I'm talking about my favorite food or my favorite person or Christmas, etc. Whatever the project, just type a title. Then click Save Media and make sure you wait. And then you're going to share the recording with me. In this case, I'm going to share one that is ready. Go ahead and click on it. And you can listen to it again if you want. But in this case, I want to download the file to my computer. Once I click the 3 little dots, automatically it will download the media to my downloads, which is fine. For right now, I'm just going to leave it there. I can move it later if I want to the desktop, my documents, etc. For now, just click download and go to your email. Over there, you're going to click compose. You're going to type my email address. Make sure you use like elliemiracosta@gmail.com right here. For subject, you can type your name and maybe the file of the project. After that, you're going to click Attach File and you're going to click on your Downloads file. Right there is where you're going to find the file that you want to send. Double click on it to attach it. Here's my file and click Send. I will get the file and that's the file that I'm going to insert to my project. I hope you learned how to record using Studio and you're ready to send me your file. See you soon.